Okay, so come with me to the lake because I'm running away from my problems.
No, you're not. You're facing them head on.
Whatever. I didn't ask for commentary from you. I'm making a video. Anyways, this is. Let me tell you something. This be bringing me back to life. This be bringing me back to life. This Cytoblast Bomb 5. This La Roche-Posay. This La Roche. Like, it just makes everything a lot better as far as my skin. And besides, I'm going outside. I gotta find my sunscreen, so give me a moment. Like, life is life in around here, obviously. Okay, so I found it. Make it matte. So I like this sunscreen because it's gel and my face is sensitive skin, dry, and it works really well with gel. So yeah, let's see. Okay, sunscreen, about to apply it. Let's see, do I have anything to set this on? Oh, it's La Roche-Posay. It's La Roche-Posay. Oh, it's La Roche-Posay. It's La Roche-Posay. Oh. And almost. And for our final event, this is actually really big, but I'm just gonna do this and do this. And we're off to the lake.